Living close to nature can have numerous benefits, such as reduced stress, increased physical activity, and improved overall well-being. Getting away from city life in early age can help individuals appreciate the simple things in life, reduce the negative impact of technology, and gain a greater understanding and respect for the environment.
Friend, living a simple life involves focusing on the essentials and eliminating unnecessary complexities. Here are some tips to help you achieve simplicity in your daily life. 1. Declutter. Get rid of items you no longer use or need. This can include clothes, electronics, and other household items. 2. Prioritize. Focus on the things that matter most to you. Make a list of priorities and commit to spending time and energy only on those things. If you're into healthy cooking and love trying out international recipes with a Mediterranean twist, then this is the channel for you. With their original and authentic approach to cooking, Afsan fam offers a variety of dishes that are not only delicious, but also healthy.
Broccoli and clam stir-fry recipe. 1 pound fresh clams, cleaned. 2 cups broccoli florets. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion thinly sliced. 1 red bell pepper thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch, optional, for thickening. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Sesame seeds for garnish, optional. Cooked rice or noodles for serving. Rinse the clams thoroughly under cold water to remove any sand or grit. Discard any clams that are cracked or open and do not close when tapped. In a large bowl, soak the clams in cold water for about 20 minutes to help them release any sand. Drain and rinse again. Steam the clams. Place the clams in a large pot with a tight-fitting lid. Add about 1 inch of water to the pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Cover the pot and steam for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the clams have opened. Discard any clams that remain closed after cooking. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch, if using, until smooth. Set aside. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and onion to the skillet and stir-fry for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and slightly softened. Add the broccoli florets and red bell pepper to the skillet and continue stir-frying for about 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are crisp tender. Add the steamed clams to the skillet and stir gently to combine with the vegetables. Pour the soy sauce and oyster sauce mixture over the ingredients in the skillet. Stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce is well incorporated and the clams and vegetables are coated. Taste and season with salt and pepper if needed. Remove from heat and garnish with sesame seeds if desired. Serve the broccoli and clam stir-fry hot over cooked rice or noodles. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious broccoli and clam stir-fry.
Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, their easy-to-follow recipes and step-by-step guides make it easy for anyone to create a beautiful meal. Plus, if you're a nice host girl who loves to entertain, Afsan Fam's dishes are sure to impress your guests and leave them wanting more. So why not give Afsan Fam Media Production a try and explore a whole new world of culinary delights?
Today we're going to talk about one of the best fish to cook and eat, right? Salmon. Here are 10 healthy foods that incorporate salmon. Grilled salmon. Grilling salmon is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy this fish. It retains its natural flavors while adding a smoky touch. Baked salmon. Baking salmon in the oven is another simple and healthy option. You can season it with herbs, lemon, and spices to enhance the taste. Salmon salad. Prepare a refreshing salad with cooked or canned salmon, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Salmon sushi or sashimi. Sushi or sashimi made with fresh salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids and essential nutrients. Just make sure to choose a reputable source for raw fish. Salmon tacos. Create delicious and nutritious tacos by filling whole wheat tortillas with grilled or baked salmon, avocado slices, shredded cabbage, and a squeeze of lime. Salmon stir-fry. Make a colorful stir-fry using salmon, a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, and a light soy or teriyaki sauce. Salmon wraps. Fill whole grain wraps with flaked salmon, Greek yogurt or hummus, spinach leaves, sliced cucumber, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Salmon quinoa bowl. Prepare a nourishing bowl with cooked quinoa, grilled salmon, steamed vegetables, such as broccoli and carrots, and a drizzle of lemon tahini dressing. Salmon and vegetable skewers. Thread chunks of salmon onto skewers along with cherry tomatoes, zucchini, bell peppers, and onions. Grill or bake for a flavorful and healthy meal. Salmon with roasted vegetables. Roast salmon alongside an assortment of colorful vegetables like sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, and asparagus, seasoned with herbs and olive oil. Remember, salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and several essential nutrients. It's important to ensure that the salmon you consume is sourced responsibly and from a trusted supplier. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the presentation as much as I did. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can help you with. Have a great day.
You can prepare a fantastic crab soup for dinner using the recipe provided by our chef. 1 pound of fresh crab meat. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 carrots, diced. 2 stalks of celery, diced. 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, or to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. In a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become translucent and fragrant. Add the diced carrots and celery to the pot, and cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Stir in the heavy cream and Old Bay seasoning, and let the soup simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Gently fold in the fresh crab meat, and cook for a few more minutes until the crab is heated through. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the crab soup hot, garnished with fresh parsley for an added touch of freshness. High in protein. Crab meat is a great source of lean protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, as well as supporting healthy muscle function. Rich in vitamins and minerals, crab meat contains essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and zinc. Vitamin B12 is important for maintaining healthy nerve function, while selenium and zinc play vital roles in supporting immune function and overall well-being. Low in calories. Crab meat is relatively low in calories, making it a nutritious option for those watching their calorie intake while still enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. Source of omega-3 fatty acids. Crab meat contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Provides antioxidants. The vegetables used in the soup, such as carrots, celery, and onions, contribute antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. Enjoy the delectable flavors of this crab soup while reaping the numerous health benefits it offers. Thank you for choosing our channel.